In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix website template. Transitioning to a new template can give your website a fresh professional look, and the good news is that you can achieve this without much hassle. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login details to access your dashboard. It's your command center where everything begins. Once you're in, look for the plus create new site button on your main dashboard. Clicking on this will open the doors to a world of new templates. Choose the type of website you're aiming to create, like business, portfolio, or blog. This selection helps Wix suggest templates best suited for your niche, making your job a whole lot easier. Next, you'll be prompted to decide how you'd like to start. Here you have two options. You can use the Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. It generates a site automatically based on your responses, perfect for those who want a quicker setup. But if you crave full creative control, choose a template manually. Go ahead and click on Choose a Template to dive into customization. Now, you'll see a vast collection of modern templates categorized by industries such as business and services, online store, photography, and more. Feel free to use the search bar for specific keywords or click View to preview how the designs appear on different devices like mobile and desktop. Remember, these templates are entirely customizable. You can change every text, image, and section later as you see fit. Found a template that resonates with you? Excellent. Click Edit this template. This action will launch the Wix editor with your selected design ready for customization. Now's the time to replace text and images, incorporate your brand's logo and color palette, and update website pages and links. Be sure to use the Site Pages panel to rename or remove pages that are unnecessary for your new design. If you have an existing site on Wix, you might want to update it by transferring content. Unfortunately, Wix doesn't offer automatic migration, but you can easily copy and paste text or upload media files into your new template. If your old website had a custom domain, make sure to connect it to your new design. Navigate to Wix dashboard, then Domains, and select Assign, followed by Assign to another site. Choose your newly designed website to ensure it's live under the same domain. Finally, when you're satisfied with your customizations, preview your site to ensure everything looks spot on. Once you're confident, click Publish to go live. Congratulations, your new modern template is now up and running, giving your website a revitalized appearance on the internet.